Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Dina. In this video, I want to show you the blooms on my string of pearls, and I want to share with you how I got it to bloom. This succulent was super easy to propagate. I planted the cuttings with a mother plant last year, and now it looks fuller in the pot. Last year it had some lovely flowers too. It was a smaller pot back then, but this year is bursting with blooms. I'm so glad I did these care tips to get my string of pearls to bloom. I hope you find some helpful tips in this video as well. The string of pearls Senecio rowleyanus plant has small white blossoms that look like delicate pom-poms with long red stamens that give them a firework-like appearance. Yes, they do have a scent. Despite their size, they seem to emit a strong cinnamon or clove-like scent that can fill a room. I brought it indoors to check it out, but the cold temperature made the scent quite faint, and it smells more like clove to me. The string of pearls blooms mostly in winter and they last for weeks. In other areas, it can also be in the summer. They typically appear when the plant is mature and well cared for. It was not the fertilizer, I don't think so. I do not fertilize this plant in winter, only in the warmer months. Yes, cooler temperature can actually trigger blooms. If the plant is mature and other conditions are right, like sunlight and water, it will happily put out some pretty flowers. We had a lot of rain last month when the buds were forming. I did not have to water for weeks. Remember, this plant is a succulent, so it's prone to root rot. So yes, just water when the top inch of soil feels dry. The main thing really to encourage blooms, I believe, is that it's getting a lot of light. I'm growing it outdoors. It is getting gentle, direct sunlight this winter where it is positioned. In the summer, when it can get really hot, I just move the pot for more shade, and this succulent handled the heat pretty well. If you're growing your plant indoors, make sure it's near a window. A north-facing window is perfect for us in Adelaide because it'll get the most sunlight. If you're moving it to a brighter spot, remember to slowly acclimate the plant to prevent leaf burn. And there you have it. While not the star of the show, these lovely fragrant flowers add a touch of charm and character to an already beautiful succulent. I'm all for winter flowering plants. They brighten up our homes when other plants are struggling with the cold. And that's it. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy growing your string of pearls, and see you in my next video.